Hey online shoppers, let's talk about Nashville cotton and linen. Is it your next wardrobe upgrade or a scam waiting to happen? I get it. Their site looks gorgeous, but I've seen enough of these to know looks can be deceiving. And honestly, Nashville cotton and linen is setting off all my scam alarms. Here's what you need to know before hitting buy now. First, the fabric. Tons of similar stores promise cotton and linen, but what arrives? Scratchy polyester or cheap nylon. If you want real fibers, this is a major red flag. Next, let's talk photos. Those beautiful product shots, there's a good chance they're stolen from legit designers. If you spot the same dress on 5 different sketchy sites, you know something's up. And don't get me started on shipping. People say they waited over 9 weeks. Some never got their orders at all. Returns? Forget it. You'll probably be offered a tiny discount voucher instead of an actual refund. Not cool. Want the real deal? Check out brands like Quince. Reddit loves them for quality and easy returns. Or All Cotton and Linen, a US-based company with great verified reviews. Here's how to protect yourself. Always check for a physical address. Nashville Cotton and Linen lists one on Facebook, but good luck finding any real reviews for that spot. Search for the company name on Trustpilot or Reddit for honest feedback. And grab a screenshot. Then run an image search. If you see those photos everywhere, steer clear. Bottom line. If a site looks too good to be true, it probably is.